In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to create a blog recent post widget in Wix. The first thing you have to do is open up your website in the Wix editor. The best part about this is its highly intuitive interface, which makes our job a lot easier. Our next move is pretty simple as well. Just locate the button titled Add Elements. You will find this on the left side menu. Once you find it, just give it a click. It's as easy as that. Following this, your next destination is the blog section, all the way to the post list option. This is where things start getting a bit creative. Now, you either select a pre-made layout or express your creative thoughts by dragging and dropping the element onto the page where you think it fits best. Once that's done, we move on to setting the post display in order. This calls for interacting with the post list element you just introduced to the canvas. Click on it and select Settings. Within the Settings tab, you will come across an option titled Choose a Category. Your task here is to set this dropdown to all categories. Why? Because this will ensure your widget houses blogs from all categories, ensuring no post is left behind. But how do we make sure that your widget is showcasing the latest posts? Easy. You have to affirm that the order setting is set to date posted. Once that's done, it's time to dial in how many blog posts you would want the widget to display. For this, you will have to play with the slider until the total number of posts displayed matches your preference. Now comes the fun part, customizing the layout and design. Still in the same settings panel this time, click the Layout tab. Artistry instigates here as you get to choose between different layouts, such as magazine, editorial, or even a simple list. Once it suits you, you can modify options for your chosen layout. These options include image size, text alignment, and even spacing. The final step is finessing the look and feel of your widget. To get there, click the Design tab. Here you will have the liberty to personalize the colors, fonts, borders, and backgrounds. This is where you get to make sure your widget goes with the overall theme of your site. And voila! You just created a bold recent post widget in Wix with complete custom design and personal touch. Remember, each website is unique in its own way, and so should be your widget. So don't be afraid to get creative with the setting and layout options to make your widget stand out.